Hello, it's Gary from Remap and Revive here today at a local utility company. We've got the luxury of working indoors, out of the rain, under a ramp, so we're working at a decent angle and a decent height to get to the DPF pressure sensor, and it's not too bad on this. It's mounted just up there, so we've been able to connect our equipment up to the pressure sensor pipe relatively easily, and the first chemical is in and working, and we'll give that 10 minutes or so, then start the engine and flush through with the second chemical. This is a 2.3 diesel Renault Master 2017 van, and it's done just over 60,000 miles. Obviously these don't work in too big a radius of their base, and they do spend quite a lot of time idling while out on jobs, so the DPF's got too full for the vehicle to manage itself now, so we've been called in and we'll get this fixed and back on the road in about another hour.